question we have pressure P equals to 15.6 atm and diameter capital D equals to 32.8 centimeter, that can be written as 0.328 meter. Okay, so now the area of cross section capital A will be equals to pi by 4 d square. So substituting the values, we get pi by 4 multiplied by 0.328 square. So from here, after solving, we get area A equals to 0.0845 meter square. Okay, so now from the expression of force, so we can write force equals to pressure multiplied by area. Okay, so since the hydraulic lifts the vehicle in upward direction, so there will be a force acting in the downward direction due to its mass. So this force can be written as M.